connecting the unconnected with IoT for creating smart environment. The Internet of Things is an increasingly popular topic of conversation in the workplace and at home. This relatively young concept has emerged as a revolution in technology with the potential to impact how we live, play, learn and work. Many are still wondering how these connected technologies and the data derived will alter their daily lives and may approach the subject with curiosity. The Internet of Things helps in the embedding of physical devices with sensors, network connectivity and other components so that they can collect and exchange data. Going forward, IT, information technology, operations technology that is OT and automation technologies that is AT are going to create the future of production, expanded from the factory floor to connected products, services and supply chains, the industrial Internet of Things that is IIoT. This platform is now accelerating due to rapidly advancing capabilities. IoT platforms are still evolving and there are no clear winners in this space. Rival technology companies creating competing platforms are targeting many industrial sectors by using into production. Proponents of IoT highlight its potential to revolutionize production not only by transforming operations on the shop floor but also by enabling end-to-end visibility across the supply chain in real time, all the way to the end users as well as developing new products and services for the customers. IoT investments in production is expected to double from $35 billion to $71 billion in 2020, with three key functions that are driving investments are asset tracking, condition-based maintenance, and robotics processing. North America leads today's IoT adoption. However, the Asia-Pacific region is projected to have a larger market share by 2020, that is in excess of $2.5 trillion. Let's look into today's headlines in VARINDIA. GDP drops by 23.9% as India enters recession. India has officially entered a phase of recession with GDP data released on Monday showing a collapse of 23.9% of gross domestic product in the second quarter as the Indian economy was weighed down by the coronavirus pandemic and the severest of lockdowns that led to halt in business activities and a sharp fall in consumer demand. India emerging as big manufacturing center, says Ravi Shankar Prasad. Union Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad on Sunday said that the global manufacturers ecosystem is realizing that they must have other places apart from China, as India is emerging as a big manufacturing center. While the minister in an interview over a video conference said, "I am glad to inform that Apple is shifting to India in a significant way. Samsung has already come and they further want to expand. I have been told that around 8 factories of Apple have shifted to India from China. We launched Atmanirbhar Bharat with production-linked incentives." Airtel Xstream broadband plans get unlimited data and new ₹499 plan. It seems the data war is on. Airtel has announced the new broadband plans for the Airtel Xstream fiber broadband services. The new plans see the addition of a new ₹499 plan as well as the switch to unlimited data across all subscription plans irrespective of the speed you choose. This means Airtel Xstream fiber broadband subscription will let you get unlimited usage every month. Now, the internet service providers to block PUBG. The recent order by the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology to ban 118 Chinese apps in the country, it seems that Google and Apple have both pulled down the popular mobile game. As of now, the game is still running if you have already have it installed on your phone. Going forward, it would not be long before ISPs, that is Internet Service Providers, are ordered to block the game, thereby completely blocking the game across the country. President of India honors teachers with National Teachers Awards 2020. The President of India, Ram Nath Kovind, on the occasion of Teachers' Day that was on September 5th, felicitated 47 teachers across India with National Teachers Awards 2020. The award-giving ceremony this year was conducted virtually due to the coronavirus pandemic. He lauded the teachers for their heart and dedication towards students and wished them on the occasion. Vodafone Idea likely to launch new brand identity today. Vodafone Idea is likely to relaunch its brand on Monday, unveiling a completely new identity and communication around it. The relaunch is to have a combined brand identity and advertising around it, as the organization has till now been advertising the two brands separately. 5G smartphones with Snapdragon 400 series coming in 2021. A report says Motorola, Oppo and Xiaomi have plans to launch 5G-enabled smartphones with Snapdragon 400 chipset in 2021. So, the affordable smartphones with the 5G support is on its way from Qualcomm. The chipset giant will bring 5G connectivity to the entry-level Snapdragon 400 series in 2021. A source said the chipset will support phones that will cost under $200. Vertiv hosts LinkedIn Live to discuss the global state of the co-location market. Vertiv is hosting a LinkedIn Live location co-location, who in the global market is winning and why. The session will discuss the global state of the co-location market and the market forces shaping the sector. This event is expected to bring together experts from around the globe to share regional insights into the pressures facing the co-location market, including cost cutting, deployment speed and regulations. Participants will also debate around the latest strategies that are shaping the future of co-location. How RIL and Jio raised billions without paying any tax. Reliance Industries Limited announced the largest, fastest fundraise so far in India Inc., that is more than rupees 1.5 lakh crores through a stake sale of about 33% in its subsidiary Jio platform to 13 marquee foreign investors. The stake sale happened at top dollar valuations. Interestingly, neither RIL nor Jio platforms may be paying any tax on the stake sale thanks to some smart deal structuring show documents filed by Jio platforms on the Ministry of Company Affairs portal. Tech Mahindra says can build and run full-fledged 4G, 5G networks. IT services provider Tech Mahindra has the capability to build and run an entire 4G or 5G network in India, and its partnership with Japanese telco Rakuten will help it get more meaningful business in India's telecom industry. Sources said the company is also looking for strategic investments and acquisitions in companies to further bolster its telecom products and services portfolio. COVID update. Today is the 168th day since India implemented a nationwide lockdown to help curb the novel coronavirus pandemic. So far, India has recorded 42,04,613 confirmed COVID-19 cases, including 71,642 deaths. Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu have reported the highest number of cases. However, infections are rising rapidly in states like Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal. Yet, India's recovery rate continues to rise and now stands at 77.3%. To conclude, IoT is not just a collection of technologies added on top of current automation systems. It is also a philosophy required an entire change in mindset, where the potential lies in the ability to link automation systems with enterprise planning, scheduling and product lifecycle systems. IoT is at the heart of the powerful technology revolution. In fact, IoT is maturing more quickly than predicted, indicating a more imminent, widespread implementations. A phase is beginning where the sheer availability of real-time information across the production value chain will redefine how companies produce goods, provide services and conduct business. Secondly, the rise of AI as a service platforms with low barriers to entry will allow companies to scale cognitive solutions in a zero marginal cost setting and reshape industry dynamics. IoT represents the next step towards digitalization of our society and economy, where objects and people are interconnected through communication networks and report about their status of the surrounding environment. Simply put, nearly everything will be connected. What impact will this have on your business? On a basic level, connecting objects in your office means when supplies are low, they can be ordered automatically, or your watch can pinpoint when and where you spend your time and are most productive. Data and metrics means enhanced efficiency and productivity. Automating trivial tasks means valuable time is available to spend on important projects. Are you starting to get the picture? Let's wind up for the day. But do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to War India News Magazine. Please download the War India app for the latest news and updates, which is available on Google Play Store. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.